Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to show you the install of our new Sky365 roof panel. The Sky365 roof panel replaces the OEM Freedom panels and is manufactured with tinted glass and is available in matte black, gloss black, or paint match body color. As you'll see, we had ours paint matched to our Jeep.
Step 1, remove your existing panels. Using 2 people, lift the Sky360 roof over the vehicle. Just like the Freedom panels come out, that goes in.
Okay, let's
Take the Freedom panels
take
out.
the Freedom panels up. What do I do?
Hold that down.
This?
No, the
Nope,
handle.
this?
There
Okay.
you go. Let's see which one comes out first. I'll come grab it.
All right, step 2. Using 2 people, lift the Sky365 roof over the vehicle, front or rear. With each person along each side of the vehicle, walk the roof to the opening and lower it into the install position. We were afraid that I might be too short to actually do that, so we just went ahead and went over the side, and as you can see, it worked fine for us. Step 3. Ensure that the Sky365 roof has both location pins beside each metal toggle latch properly aligned and installed into the corresponding existing vehicle collars during lowering.
See that hole? There's a hole. Did it line up?
I think so.
This twists. That. Oh, that one might be adjusted. Tight. That's what I like. And then these.
This one just goes like this?
Yep.
Okay.
And then these latch down.
Okay.
It's on.
It's on. All right. We're going inside. Are we not going inside? I am. I'm waiting for you.
Pretty cool.
It looks good.
Pretty freaking cool.
That paint match turned out awesome. Honestly, that makes all the difference between a clear lid and this. Is having that paint match side just makes it look factory.
Remove after install. When do I gotta remove it? It just comes right off. Pins all line up. It's like a factory roof on it. And it's pretty freaking cool. like it.
All right, that wraps up the install of our new Sky365 roof panel. What a difference! If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more Jeep mods and adventures.